Hello YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust the camera in Blender. I am creating this tutorial because didn't find any proper tutorial on this camera adjustment thing. So many people adjust it in this like this and go just press they just press G and go and adjusting and everything messed up. So I'm showing the proper way to adjust the camera. So this is the building apartment. I'm naming it as a building. Okay, so I've named it as a building. So now, if I want to adjust the camera, you should open the open the camera in another viewport, and then you should adjust the camera. So you can see this where is going to adjust properly. But this is also not that much good way to adjust the camera because you don't get any proper um, control on your camera, so it messes up. So what you can do is you just turn the view what however you want. Now I press one key on the numpad, so and I have pressed the period key to focus on it. I select the object, I press period key and focus the object on this building. And now the camera is here. I want the camera in this viewport. So what I do, I adjust my view and just press Ctrl Alt and 0, and the camera automatically gets positioned on the way where I have placed my perspective camera, where I move the thing. This is also a camera, but we can't see that camera. Actually, it is in the Blender form. So this camera we can adjust to the perspective camera view like this. Just pressing Ctrl and Alt view wherever you can place this perspectives camera. So this is also one way, and another way is more uh, handy. That is, you can place anyhow the camera. So that I am going to show that way to you. Suppose this I want to adjust this camera on the building. Now what you going to do is go to constraint. Go to constraint. This is a constraint thing. If you are not familiar with this, the chain type icon is the constraint, and add a constraint. First select the camera. Be careful, don't select any other object in the viewport. Just select the camera and then you add the constraint. Constraint we add damped track, DAMPED, damped track. This constraint we will add in camera. So now you can see it is where the camera is focusing. It is focusing on the cursor. By default it focus on cursor when you add the constraint. So if I want to focus this camera on the building, now what I will do, I will select the camera, go to constraint, and here it is a target. We can target the camera on anything, any object what we want. Suppose we select the target building. So now the camera is focusing on the building. But see, the camera has moved down. It has rotated automatically down. That is because its axis, the camera axis is not proper. It is in the other direction. So we have to manually see this X, Y, Z. The camera direction is, in this case it is minus Z key. In your case it may be indifferent use, so you should check whatever the way you want. So in this way you can adjust the camera. Now the camera is only focusing on the building. It is not focusing on any other thing. I go to camera view this, and I rotate the camera, just pressing R key and rotating it so that it is in the proper way, and you can focus it in this manner. It will focus only on the building. It will not focus anything. Suppose I move this building anywhere, see, the camera is following the building. It will not follow any other thing. automatically it is moving, because for the camera the target is the building. Now suppose I want to focus this camera on this light, just press the camera and go to lamp, and it will follow the lamp. So wherever the lamp will go, the camera will go. Now this is the simple thing, but suppose this is also get much difficult to you. So what you can do, there is one more thing you can do in this thing. Now we are focusing this camera on the building only, so we can add an empty object in this. So you can add this empty object just by pressing shift A. Just bring the mouse in this perspective, shift A, and the pop-up menu appears. You can add any object. So the empty object is in, so this is the empty object. I can add an empty object. Suppose I add plane axis, image, arrow, circle, sphere, cone. I add plane axis. Okay, so plane axis, this empty object, it is nothing is there in this object. It is just an empty object. It will not render and anything. So what you can do, you can name this object as a target. See, empty object is in this viewport. You can name this as a target. So now this is our target for the camera. Just select the camera and go to the target and select the target, and it is targeting on the empty object. Now wherever the empty object moves, the camera will follow to that empty object, and you can adjust the camera in this way also. This is the very handy way. You just press G key and move this empty object anywhere. So this is the good way to adjust the camera. Okay, so these are the 2-3 ways which I know to adjust the camera. So you can also use this. This is very useful in animation and gaming for thing. When the in this we have deleted these phases because we don't want to just increase the poly in this our game. This is the model for our upcoming Android game. So we have deleted the back phases, so it becomes very light in the game engine, so it does not make any it makes very light to the game, so it runs smoothly. So that is not important. The behind thing will not be appear in the game, so only the front, we focus on the front side. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.